I want to upskill myself by implementing AI in my existing work, and also I can learn new tools like data analytics using Python, Excel, Power BI. It used to take around 6 hours to 10 hours to prepare one complete report using the data. But after learning the tool, it almost took half an hour to 1 hour to complete the exact report. Using that AI, which helped me to crack almost 10 to 15 interview calls.
Hello everyone, a warm welcome back to these testimonials. I have with me Mr. Krishna Chaitanya, who is here to share an immaculate story of success being built upon dedication, hard work and consistency. So I'm very, very pleased to have you here, Krishna. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you for.
So Krishna, for all of our viewers, can you give a quick tour about you? What do you do? Where you're from? Where do you stay? Just a quick summary on you.
Yeah. Hello everyone. I am Krishna Chaitanya. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam district. Currently, I am working in Infosys as a technology analyst from past 3.5 years. I have joined this Be10x course in January 2025. First time I heard this course from Instagram reel. I used to see some Excel. One fine day, I joined a 3-hour workshop in an Excel, which made me to interest to learn more things on AI related topics and all those things. After joining this master course, I have learned how to build a resume using AI, how to learn different kind of software tools by implementing AI inside them, and how to use them efficiently. Okay, which helped me to increase my productivity in a rapid way.
Fantastic. So you just mentioned, right, that you saw us on Instagram first reels, and
yeah.
like what did you think about the brand? Like, were you a bit skeptical at the beginning? Like what was your experience?
Yeah, when I first time I saw some shortcuts how they were using in that same reel. After that, I have planned to attend masterclass on one Sunday, and I saw how they are explaining the Power BI tool with some live example data. It is very useful and it is very easy, like how we are doing in a regular reports and presentation. When compared to that, the Power BI is much faster and much easier to make the reports. That's what I observed.
Fantastic. So you must have taken the 9 or 99 rupee course first, right?
Yeah, correct.
And then you must have stepped it up.
Yeah. After listening to that masterclass, I have decided myself to take it.
So what was your experience of that? Like, why did you purchase the whole course after that? Like, why? Like, what did you feel in that?
I thought I want to upskill myself by implementing AI in my existing work, and also I can learn new tools like data analytics using Python, Excel, Power BI, all these things.
So do you have any specific examples of what you felt during the workshop that you were amazed with?
Any examples means in our previous project which we were working, we used to prepare a lot of reports, which is a lot of a manual work. It used to take around 6 hours to 10 hours to prepare one complete report using the data. But after learning the tool, it almost took half an hour to 1 hour to complete the exact report.
Wow. So you're continuously saving 5, 6, 7 hours a day on a report, right?
Correct. 5-6 hours a week almost.
Wow.
Every time.
That's fantastic, right? So coming to the crux of the matter here. So what achievement do you want to discuss? I have talked to you backstage. I know, and I was very amazed to know what you just shared. So can you share it with the audience as well?
Yeah. What I achieved after joining this course means I have float up my profile using that AI, which helped me to crack almost 10 to 15 interview calls. And I got a good offer around 150% hike in the new company in the same domain which I was working. AI helped me to build my resume as per my domain requirements, all those things to organize in an interview specified manner.
Wow, that is fantastic. So you just said that you landed 10 to 15 interview calls. And can you repeat the salary hike percentage, what you've received now?
150%.
150% salary hike. Wow, that is fantastic. It's probably one of the highest I've ever heard. And it just tells me how much of an effect this has had and how much you've taken it into the stride and really put it up. That's fantastic. So now, any feedback on how you're feeling? Like, have you joined the job already, or are you about to?
I'm about to join in the next month, second week.
Okay. Right. So just at the end, any feedback about the whole course, and what do you think about it?
Yeah, the course is very helpful to learn each and everything, whatever we want to use with an AI, artificial intelligence. We can apply that AI in more number of tools in regular work as well as in our project if we are able to do.
Right. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Krishna, for joining us. It was a pleasure talking to you. Hopefully you get many more 100+% salary hikes in the coming future. And
yeah. I would
working
complete this course as well in June or July month, mostly.
Absolutely, as you should. And you'll keep receiving updates. Don't worry about that. You just focus on the work, and we'll do the rest. Thank you so much, man. It was lovely talking to you, and appreciate your hard work. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.